Why do birds fly into windows, and how can you stop it? The answer might surprise you because it's tied to how birds see the world and the reflections you don't even notice. Birds rely heavily on vision to navigate. When a window reflects the blue sky or nearby trees, birds mistake it for a clear flight path. This illusion causes many collisions, especially during migration seasons when birds fly rapidly and focus on distant landmarks. Because glass is transparent or reflective, birds don't perceive it as a barrier. This is why you often see stunned or injured birds near windows. It's not just urban areas either. Anywhere with reflective glass can be dangerous. To stop birds from flying into your windows, you need to interrupt the reflections or make glass visible. Applying decals or patterned films spaced no more than 2 inches apart prevents birds from trying to fly through. Window screens or external shutters also reduce reflections and provide a physical barrier. Moving bird feeders and baths closer than 3 feet or farther than 30 feet from windows helps, because birds won't build up enough speed to injure themselves if they hit glass nearby. Even closing blinds or curtains reduces the illusion of open space. An amazing fact is that many birds see ultraviolet light which humans can't. Some specially designed window films use UV patterns visible only to birds, making the glass stand out to them without spoiling your view. This helps birds detect windows and avoid collisions. Understanding bird vision beyond human sight opens new ways to protect them. Using these UV reflective films is a cutting-edge solution that combines science and conservation. Now you know why birds fly into windows and how simple changes can save their lives. Next time you look at your glass doors or windows, think about the birds you can protect with just a few steps. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.